Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Binance services in the United States are handled through Binance US, but the important thing to know is that it is not available in every state. Depending on where you live or travel, access to your account and features may be limited. If you are in a region where Binance US is not supported, you may see a message saying that the platform is unavailable in your country or region. This usually happens because Binance US operates under specific licensing and regulatory rules which restrict access in certain areas. Even if you already created and verified your account, your access can still change when you move between locations. For example, if you open your account in a supported state but later travel to a restricted one, you might find that you cannot log in or use trading features temporarily. This is why it's important to understand that Binance US is tied to regional availability and compliance rules. The platform is designed this way to follow local financial regulations and access is automatically adjusted based on your location. So, overall, using Binance as a US citizen depends on where you are located and whether that region is supported by Binance US. Always make sure your account details are up to date and follow the platform's official guidelines to avoid interruptions in service. That's the simple breakdown of how it works. Thanks for watching.